up? I'm Mark and welcome to epicconfections. This week I wanted to make a naked scroll cake. Hence why I'm baking in the nude. Stop it. I know some of y'all thirsty ladies are like, ooh, what's under that apron? Stop. I'm a married man. I'll show y'all later. So there's a few different ways you can do a naked cake. There is a semi-naked cake, which is why I'm dressed like this, semi-naked. And then there's a full naked cake, which is like this. Paint me like one of your French girls, Jack. You're welcome. Today we're going to be making a full naked cake with some scroll work on the outside. Let's do it! Yo! So to start, I just baked off 3 9-inch round white cakes. I'm just going to level these out, fill them with a plain white buttercream, and stack them up. And I'll show you how to stack this. Because it is naked, we're not going to be putting a lot of icing on the outside of the cake. So you want to be really careful when you're filling it. Filled my small piping bag with no tip with plain white buttercream, and I'm going to rim all the way around this cake. I don't want it to go too far over the edge, and I'm just going to fill it in. And we're going to stack it up like this, and we're going to do the exact same thing for the second tier. Or not the second tier, the second layer. And we're going to dowel this up and do our second tier right on this cake. Let's do it. Bobo's here. Bobo, can you say hi to everyone? Come on up. Hi, say hi to everyone. No? Okay, that's it. So next I'm just taking a 6-inch board and I'm placing it on top of the dowels just to see if it is level. And yes, I do believe she's level. That's always a bonus. If you find that it's not level, you can figure out which dowel needs to be cut a little bit. Just take it out, trim it down, boom. You should have a level cake on top. So I'm just trimming up my board here. Making sure that my cake completely covers that board. So here I have 2 6-inch round white cakes. I'm just gonna level one of them out. Level my second one out. Just seeing if I want to go that high with it. You might want to go a little smaller. Just checking to see if it's level. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm just going to take a little bit of buttercream. If you are traveling with a cake like this, it's best to use royal icing so it really sticks and it doesn't move. Just putting a little bit down here. Oh yeah, I guess we should fill the cake first. I know some of y'all are going to be like, that's unsanitary. He's not wearing a shirt in the kitchen. Well, you know what? It's my kitchen, okay? My kitchen, my rules. Thank you very much. A little bit of buttercream on my cake board so it doesn't move around. And now he can go on. So next, we are going to be using a medium tip with this piping bag, and we're going to be doing some scroll work. That's pretty much the cake. That's it. We're not going to be doing any icing on the outside other than the scroll work. And I know that sounds weird, but you'll see it. I think it's going to turn out really, really pretty. So let's do it. So first I'm just going to fill in my bottom gap here with some buttercream, just using my medium tip. And just using that same medium tip, I'm going to be doing some scroll work. So I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I do have some strawberries here and some blackberries. And that's what we're gonna top this cake with. I am gonna do one last thing to this cake. I'm just gonna put a little bit of powdered sugar all over the top. Just have it fall on your cake, all over the tiers. So here it is, guys. Here is the naked scroll cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. And I will see all of you next week. Mwah!